Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited.
Power BI classes with real-time interview questions and answers. Class 8. What is Power Query and the language does it use?
In this class, we are going to discuss about what is Power Query and the language does it use. Power Query is a data connection and transformation tool used in Power BI, Excel, and other Microsoft products. It allows you to import, clean, transform, and combine data from various sources like Excel files, databases, web pages, etc. before loading into Power BI for analysis. Key features of Power Query are like data import, which is used to connect to different data sources like Excel, SQL Server, Web, SharePoint, etc. and data transformation. It cleans and shapes the data. For example, remove columns, filter rows, merge tables. And third point would be no coding needed. It is a GUI based tool. Most tasks can be done with point and click operations. Fourth point would be repeatable steps. That means every step you do is recorded and can be refreshed with new data. Next would be what language does Power Query uses. Power Query uses a language called M, also known as Power Query Formula Language. Here, what is M language? That means M is a functional, case-sensitive programming language. It is used to define transformations on data. Each action in Power Query, like removing columns or filtering data, is written as M code behind the scenes. For example, let's say you load table from Excel and want to remove a column called age. GUI approach, that is graphical user interface approach, is like you go to Power Query, right click on the age column, click remove. In this way, the step is going to be created for Power Query. Let's come to the summary of this Power Query and M language. Power Query is a powerful tool in Power BI for data loading and transformation. It uses M language, which is functional and used behind the scenes to record and execute data transformations. Let's see these things practically in Power BI Desktop. Here, we are going to create a blank report and we'll be connecting to the Excel source. Files, we are connecting Superstore 2015 Excel. And here orders is the table or sheet that we are going to load. See here, while loading, if you load, we are going to get into the Power BI Desktop. If you click on transform data option, then it will open the Power Query window. Like this, the Power Query window is got opened. Here we can do different operations. For example, these are the n number of columns that we are here. For example, click on any column and right click on any column. If you see the different like options here, you can remove and duplicate column, remove duplicates, remove errors, and you can write on that. You can change the like string data into uppercase, you can trim the data, and you can split the column, you can group by pivoting things are. You can remove the column as well, drill down. All these different options are available in Power Query. For example, we are just trying to remove a column here. Here you can see that remove column step has been added to a Power Query. Here, this steps M query is this. This is the M query, like M language, that has been used for removing a column, the column that we have removed from here. For example, if you click on it, if you remove that step, the step is going to be revoked. That the order priority we were removed before and it has come back. For example, I'm trying to do the same again and the column has been removed and there's a code for that. If you want to see the M language for all the steps that happened in this Power Query, you can just go to Home and Advanced Editor, you can see all the steps which are happened for this Excel. The first step, we have connected to the like Superstore 2015 Excel, and this sheet we have connected, and prompted headers that we have taken, and change type, and final step is that for this table or sheet we have done, we just have removed order priority column. In this way we can see all the M language in the advanced editor, or if you want to see the particular step M code, here you can see this one. For example, for price, if you try to do something like you want to transform, this is we are just trying to convert into whole number. Another step has been removed. This is the particular steps M code. If you want to see the total M language that has been created, here we have removed order priority, and here we have changed the data type. This information has been given, and the remaining steps are we have discussed before. In this way, we can have this M language code here. Total code we can see Home and Advanced Editor. If you want to see the each steps code, here in the top of the each table that is going to be created. Here for the M language, most of the users, they are going to use this GUI, graphical user interface, to do the things by clicking and doing the things instead of writing the M code. If you are expert into the M code, you can go and write the M code as well for the different operations. This is just a beginning for the Power Query thing. By connecting to your particular data source, you can just transform data. That means you have to choose that option. Then you'll come to this Power Query editor. Once these things happen, close and apply. That means whatever the steps you have done for this, you just can close and apply. These steps are going to be applied here. See, I have added another order sheets already existing report as a table. It has been added here, and some transformations we have done by using Power Query for this report. In this way, Power Query is used to get the data and do the transformations, that is data transform. There are different types of data transformations that we can do, and behind the scenes it creates M language that we have seen for removing column and changing the data type, something like that. You can see step by step M code. Otherwise, Home Advanced option, you can see the all M code which has been created for the Power Query. In the next classes, we'll be discussing a lot more about the Power Query, and we can explore different options in the Power Query. Thank you.
Stay connected with GKey IT Solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.